Hey, what's up? It's Roy here, and in today's video I want to show off another Simply Carbon Fiber case for my Samsung Galaxy S22. Now this is the Forged Carbon Classic Series case. You can scoop this up for $69.99, but if you follow my link, which is simplycarbonfiber.com/Roy, and use my promo code ROY10, you'll actually be able to get 10% off, which is pretty nice considering, like I said, this is a true genuine carbon fiber case for your S22, and they also make it for the Plus and Ultra as well. So let's go ahead and take a real quick peek at the actual case, but let's look at the inside first. So the interior is just kind of like a basic matte finish material inside here. Nothing special, nothing too crazy going on. You got the quality control pass sticker in there. You have the Simply Carbon Fiber branding inside there. Now on the interior, we are getting some reinforced bumpers and things. So with this case, it is a full edge protection as far as drop protection goes. So you're definitely getting some decent drop protection if you happen to drop it with your phone inside the case. So let's go ahead and grab my S22 here. Start with the button side first and then push in. Pretty easy install. And there it is. So with it installed, guys, you can kind of see that it is a very slim case. It hugs the phone very well. But as you can see here, it's got that beautiful forged carbon fiber styling here. So it's not just the normal carbon fiber, you know, that's kind of slanted and everyone knows. But with forged carbon fiber, it just gives that different appearance and look. I think it just looks super cool, especially with the Phantom Black S22 here. I just think it looks pretty dang nice. Now we do have some very simply carbon fiber branding there at the bottom corner in white, so very minimal. And then here where the actual camera bump is, I really like the design of the camera bump. It is actually hugging perfectly with the camera bump design with that half circle cutout there for the flash there. Now there are some lips there, as you can see, so the lenses are recessed in very nicely. So if you do place it back down, you're not going to have any issues. Now with the back, it does have some grip, but it is also very slippery as well. Now the sides are definitely going to help with the protection and like the grip of the case, but just something to point out. It doesn't really show a ton of fingerprints, but it is kind of like a glossier back. So like I said, just something to think about. You know, it feels really good, but it can be a little slippery since it's not just like a TPU back or something like that. Now looking at the sides here, I really like the side. So the side, we have this really nice grippy material here at the bottom where your hand's resting, and definitely feels definitely good in the hands. We do have our power button and volume up and down buttons there that are raised just a tad bit. And then also going to the bottom, as you can see here, we have nice cutouts for the Type-C port and our mic and our speaker grill there. And then moving to the side here, the whole entire side is just that grippy material. So once again, when you're holding it in the hand, sometimes I kind of hold my phone like that. I just have all grip right there, which is super nice. And then looking at the top, we do have the circular punch out there for the mic up top. Now moving to the front of the phone, we do have some raised lips that are going around the screen. So we are getting complete 360 protection when it comes to the actual screen. So if you place it face down or anything like that, your screen is going to be raised and elevated off of that surface, so it's not going to be just touching the surface immediately with your screen. It is tempered glass friendly as well, as you can see here, and that's just kind of the look of the front. So very simple, very sleek. Now just for fun, let's do the kind of wobble test here. So face down, there is no shake at all, and then flipping it over to the back, there is no shake at all either, so very flat. So yeah, so definitely passes the wobble test. So next, let's go ahead and do the clicky button test. So what I'm gonna do is, normally I just kind of show you as I'm clicking them, but I'm actually gonna put it up next to the microphone that I have here. so you can hopefully hear the clickiness of them. So I'm going to do power button first and then volume up and down. So power button first. And then volume up and down. Okay, so buttons are very clicky and responsive, as you could hear. So definitely no issues or complaints with the responsiveness of the buttons. Now let's go ahead and do the actual Qi wireless charging test. So I have my charger here. Just gonna slap it on the back of the phone. And as you can see, it is instantly recognizing that it is on a charger, and it is, as you can see, wirelessly charging my device. So obviously, definitely Qi wireless charging compatible with this case. So it is very slim. So like I said, I assumed it was gonna pass with flying colors with that, but it's just something to always want to test. And you are also able to do reverse power share, and also no problems with Google Pay or Samsung Pay if you like to, use kind of touchless stuff like that. But all in all, guys, this is a really awesome case. Obviously, it's a little bit more expensive than other cases, but it's mainly just because it is genuine carbon fiber. So once again, you kind of get what you pay for, but this is a high-end case for the person that likes a slim case that gets great protection when it comes down to it for drop protection, but also just looks good, looks fast, looks like, I don't know, just looks like a sports car for some reason to me, because that's immediately where my brain goes when I think of carbon fiber, but not forged carbon fiber, but carbon fiber in general. But there you go, guys. There is the Classic Series forged carbon case for the S22. So if you like this video, I do hope you consider to hit that like button and subscribe and ring that notification bell. Keep on coming back for more. I do a ton of phone case reviews, tech reviews, things like that. So if you like this type of content, then definitely welcome. So be safe, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.